Hi guys, it's me Miakka. Welcome to channel. Circle, star, oval, square, triangle.
What is this?
Rectangle.
Okay, triangle. This one?
Heart, triangle, diamond, square.
Very good. Okay.
Circle,
Okay, this one?
triangle, star, oval, diamond, square.
Very good. This is circle. How about this one? Lakasan mo. Louder.
Rectangle. Square. Heart. Oval.
This one?
Diamond.
This one?
Triangle.
What is this?
Star.
Star. Okay. This one?
Malapit.
What is this? What is this?
Window.
Okay, what shape is this? What shape is this?
Window. Window.
Window. What shape is this?
Square.
Okay. What is this? What is this? Okay, what shape? What shape? What?
To heart.
This one. Okay, what shape is this?
Circle.
Okay, this?
Rectangle.
Okay, the shape of the door is rectangle. Okay, what is this?
Door.
Okay. How about this one? Kite. Okay. What shape?
Diamond.
Okay. This one is?
Magic wand.
Okay. What shape is this?
Star.
What is this?
Magic wand.
Okay. What shape is this?
Oval.
Okay. What is this?
Picture.
Okay. What shape is this?
Triangle.
Okay. Very good. Okay. Match the shapes and the object. Okay. Okay. I-connect mo siya. Okay. You connect. Circle. Okay. Find the object.
Ito.
Okay. Very good. You connect. And then, rectangle. Okay. You connect. Slowly lang. This one is square.
This one.
Okay. Heart. And then oval. This one is diamond. Okay. This is triangle. Okay.
This one.
Okay. You connect. And the last is star. Wow, very good. Read this.
Circle.
Okay. This is?
Diamond.
Okay, very good.
Triangle.
Very good.
Heart.
How about this?
Is star.
Okay, very good. This one.
Oval.
Okay, this one.
Rectangle.
This one, this one.
Square.
Okay, this one.
Rectangle.
Okay. This one is.
Circle.
This one.
Triangle.
Okay, very good.
Star.
Okay, very good.
Rectangle.
Very good.
Oval.
Okay, very good.
Star.
This one is.
Square.
And this one is.
Diamond.
This one.
Heart.
This one.
Star.
And this one is. Okay, very good. What shape is this?
Circle.
How about this one?
Rectangle.
This one?
Square.
This one?
Heart.
What's this?
Circle.
What is this?
Oval.
Oval. This one? Louder.
Star.
This one? This one?
Triangle.
How about this one?
Diamond.
Louder. This one is?
Diamond.
Diamond.
Square.
Okay. Louder.
Okay.
This one? Oh, what is that?
Circle.
Circle. Okay, how about this one? What is this? Read.
Star. Star.
Okay. This one. Louder.
Heart.
Heart. Okay, this one.
Rectangle.
Okay, this one.
Oval. Pito. Melon.
This one is.
Triangle.
Okay, very good. Connect the shapes to its name. Okay, i-connect mo daw. Okay, circle. Where is the circle? Yung name niya. Okay, this one is. What is this? Rectangle. Okay, how about this one? This one. Square. I don't know.
This one.
Okay, square.
Heart.
Okay, heart.
This one.
Okay, very good. And this is
Oval.
oval. Very good. This one is star. Hanapin mo yung star.
Different. Ito.
Okay, very good. Okay, this is triangle. Where is the triangle? Okay, very good. And this is very good.
Thank you for watching. Bye.